The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C28 aims to bring premium cleaning and convenience to a more accessible price point. This robot vacuum and mop combo features powerful suction, a self-cleaning roller mop, and an all-in-one station for a hands-free experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how the eufy C28 performs in real-world scenarios, from everyday cleaning. Hard floor mopping is a main strength because the HydroJet roller system continuously cleans itself, producing fewer streaks and effectively tackling. For everyday vacuuming, the powerful suction effortlessly lifts pet hair, dander, and general debris from both hard floors and carpets. Pet hair cleaning is notably effective, as the specialized DuoSpiral brushes are designed to prevent tangles, making it incredibly useful. When it comes to small object avoidance, the laser-based navigation is generally good, but it's not as refined as camera-equipped. The eufy C28 excels in daily cleaning on a variety of surfaces, demonstrating particular strength in. Next, let's evaluate the eufy C28's overall value, considering its feature set against its. The C28 brings a suite of premium dock features, like automatic emptying and mop washing, to a mid-range price point. Eufy has built a solid reputation in the smart home and robot vacuum market, which translates to good brand trust. Compared to its direct competitors, the C28 offers a very strong value proposition, frequently outperforming rivals in key areas. While this model represents good value even at its standard price, but it becomes particularly appealing and an undeniable deal during. The eufy C28 delivers a compelling package, bringing advanced dock automation and strong cleaning performance too. No product is perfect, so here's a look at the potential risks and common. The overall build quality of the eufy C28 is quite good, reflecting the brand's usual standards for durability and robust. In terms of reliability, the C28 generally performs as expected with consistent operation, and there are not many widespread reports. Support and warranty are consistent with eufy's offerings. They are generally responsive, addressing common concerns efficiently for most users, though. One of the most common complaints revolves around the dock's noise during its maintenance cycles, the self-emptying and mop washing. The limitations of the C28 are generally expected compromises for its price point, with common complaints. The eufy Omni C28 is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized households, especially those with pets, seeking automated daily cleaning without the premium price tag. It delivers effective mopping and vacuuming, along with a highly convenient self-cleaning dock,